How would you call those arms? Hmm? Give it a name. I'll give you, because we have not much time. It's bridge. And in a bridge, if I go there, the bridge will fall. And the same with there. A bridge is to arrive to the other one. Now, also when I put my hand here, there is a bridge between me and her. It's a different kind of bridge. It's the bridge of this farmer that I told yesterday about him. This is also a bridge. In every touch, there is an opposition. Because many times, you know, when you fly in an aeroplane, sometimes there is kind of pocket of air. And it looks as if the aeroplane has not on what to lean. And that's what happened also in our touch. Many times we don't have any contact, any opposition. And the opposition, as I said at the beginning, this is the contact to the other one. It's not, I don't want to put rules. I never take my back. Because my back is back also in the very strong hugging. Back is to remember that it's you and the other one in the other side, and the bridge makes you really partners. It's this. And then you can put the arm, and you can use at the beginning until the pupil is used to it. You can put it in the hip joint a little bit so that the hip joint will not go with the legs, and take a little bit forward, stop here. Yes. And then you can just take forward. Now, what I felt, and I didn't want to use effort, is as long as we stand, the head is above the neck with a little bit of pressure. But in the moment you try to let the neck be free, and you come here, then the head is falling because it has on not to be or not to stand. But the idea is that he never stands also on the neck, also when you are straight. Because I don't know if you can see all those strings which are taking my head up. They are strings which are coming from heaven, not from earth. From earth there are strings of force of gravity that are taking me down. So if I will have all the time those strings, then when I'll come forward, it will be never a falling head. You understand? And so again, if you come to me, and for this, if you put the right hand on my neck and on my back in a Scott way, wonderful. Those two, this is very, very good. I'm going to lean on you, don't let me. Okay? Don't let me, with the elbow.
Don't let.
Yes, can you feel a good opposition now?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Now this good opposition, I showed it to you with a little bit of effort, but it can be just, we have an agreement to be in such an opposition. So you can put again the whole arm, and I like very much that you touch the neck and not the head, because it's so easy to touch the head and to make it drop. That's it. Now you can turn your arm forward. Yes, more quick, do it. Yes, very nice. Now I said quick because the idea of not doing that we have put us in such a state of being careful of doing something and unsure, and you have to make a decision. I move my hand. I turn my hand. So you are free from all those carefulness that put us in tension. So if you put one more time the hand, full touch, wonderful. You like it. That's wonderful. Now you see, the whole arm is turned. That's it. More, and more. can you see my hand? Now to take me up, you just take the arm backward. Backward and up. That's it. So why did I come with her upward and she didn't take me? Because such a touch is a magnet. And the body wants to be with it. I can't cut the contact like this. You understand? So again, if I take you, you see, I'm doing this because I want you to look for my hand. And I just want to add something to you from that I mentioned also yesterday. Those 3 points, 1, 2, 3, this is a triangle that we don't pay attention to it enough because we are dealing much more with this, with the lengthening of this. The lengthening of this is secondary to the opening of the front. And so think about this kind of distance. And with this distance, you come back to me. Yes, come. And let the knees and stay with me from above. And stop. Now you can put here your finger. That's it. And push it back and up. Yes. You come from there. Yes. Good. Let's try for 8 minutes.